How to contact Cash App support. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can contact the Cash App support team for any type of legal inquiries. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to contact Cash App support, what you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Cash App on your device. Once you launch the Cash App, you want to tap on the profile icon which is located at the top right hand side of the screen. Now once you tap on the profile icon from the top right, scroll down to the very bottom of the screen, and then here you will find the option called support right in this question mark like icon. Just tap on the support option. Once you tap on support, you have many type of support pages that are available for you. But if you would like to go ahead and then actually just contact a support team, at the very bottom you'll find the option called contact support and the chat button. Just tap on the chat option. Over here it will directly take you to the Cash App support page. So over here you can simply send them a message, and then when a real agent is actually available for you to talk to you, such as chat on your own schedule, will notify you. So if they'll get someone who can help, and this may take sometimes a few hours, but you don't have to wait. We'll notify you when they reply. So when you get a reply, you can just go ahead and then come back and then talk to them respectively. This is how you can contact support on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.